Hot weather can make travel exciting, but bad gadgets can turn a fun trip into a stressful one. You finally reach your destination, open your bag, and suddenly your battery is dead. Your phone is overheating, or your devices stop working when you need them most. That feels terrible, right? Summer travel in 2026 is not only about clothes and tickets anymore. Smart travelers carry gadgets that make trips easier, safer, and more comfortable. Some gadgets save battery life, some protect your devices, and some simply make traveling more fun. In this video, we will count down 10 must-have gadgets every summer traveler owns. Stay until the end because some gadgets on this list may completely change your next vacation. Number 10. Anker Nano Power Bank. Nothing feels worse than seeing 1% battery during a trip, and this is why the Anker Nano Power Bank became very popular with travelers. This small gadget is made for people who use maps, photos, videos, and apps many times every day. Most versions come with around 5,000 mAh to 10,000 mAh battery size, which can charge many phones about 1 to 2 times depending on the phone. The size stays very small, often around 10 centimeters long, so it easily fits inside pockets or small travel bags. Summer travel means airports, buses, long walks, and waiting many hours, so extra power becomes very useful. Many travelers like charging while walking instead of stopping to search for wall plugs everywhere. Fast charging support also helps phones get power quicker during busy days. Prices usually stay around $20 to $40 depending on battery size and model. Small power banks like this often become one of the most used travel gadgets after day one. Number 9. JBL Go 4. Portable Bluetooth speaker music can make trips feel more fun, and the JBL Go 4 helps bring music almost anywhere during travel. This speaker stays very small at around 190 grams, which means backpacks do not feel much heavier. Battery life can reach around 7 to 9 hours, helping during beach days, picnics, parks, or hotel stays. The speaker uses Bluetooth connection, so phones connect within seconds without extra wires. Summer travel often means water, sand, pools, and rain, so water protection becomes important too. Many people use these speakers during road trips, outdoor food time, and family travel because phone speakers often sound weak outside. The sound is stronger than its small size makes people expect. Most stores sell this speaker around $40 to $60 depending on sales. Many travelers only realize how useful portable speakers are after using one during vacation. Number 8. Apple AirTag Tracker. Losing bags during travel can quickly turn good vacations into stressful days. And this is where the Apple AirTag helps many travelers. This small tracker weighs only around 11 grams, making it easy to place inside suitcases, wallets, backpacks, or camera bags. Summer airports become very crowded, especially during June, July, and August, when millions of people travel more often. Travelers can check item locations using phones instead of guessing where bags disappeared. Many people now place trackers inside checked luggage before flights, because waiting for lost bags can take many hours or even days. The battery inside usually lasts close to 1 year before replacement becomes needed. Its small round shape means it does not take much space anywhere. Prices often stay around $25 to $30 for one tracker. Small gadgets like this can save both time and stress during trips. Number 7. DJI Osmo Mobile SE Smartphone. Gimbal videos look much better when phones stop shaking all the time, and this is why many travelers started using the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. This gadget holds smartphones while helping create smoother videos during walking or moving. The battery can last around 8 hours, which helps during long vacation days outside. Many travelers record beaches, parks, city streets, tourist places, and family moments, so stable videos become more important now than before. The device folds into a smaller size, helping travelers carry it inside backpacks without taking much room. Most smartphones fit easily without difficult setup steps. People who post videos online or save memories often notice big changes in video quality after using one. Prices normally stay around $70 to $100 depending on store offer. For travelers who love videos, this gadget can quickly become a favorite item. Number 6. Baseus Blade Laptop Power Bank. Carrying many devices means carrying many battery problems too, and the Baseus Blade Power Bank tries to solve that issue. Unlike normal power banks, this one is built for larger devices like laptops, tablets, and phones together. Most versions come with around 20,000 mAh battery size and support charging power close to 100 watts, which helps charge laptops much better. Summer travel often means long flights, train rides, coffee shops, and outdoor work, where wall plugs are difficult to find. Even though it holds a large battery, the design stays thin at around 1.8 centimeters thick. making bags easier to carry. Many students and remote workers use these because normal power banks often cannot handle bigger devices. Fast charging support also helps save time during busy travel days. Prices usually stay around $60 to $100 depending on model size. Extra laptop power during travel can solve problems before they even start. Number 5. GL.iNet Barrel AX Pocket Travel Router. Staying online during trips sounds easy until bad public Wi-Fi starts causing problems. And this is why many travelers now carry the GL.iNet Barrel AX Travel Router. This small gadget is built to create a safer internet connection for many devices at the same time. The router supports Wi-Fi 6 speeds and can connect phones, laptops, tablets, gaming devices, and other gadgets together. Many hotels charge Wi-Fi prices for every device, but travelers can connect this router once and use many devices together. The size stays small at around 120 grams, making it easy to place inside backpacks or carry bags. USB-C power support means it can run from power banks during travel days. Many digital workers and families carry these during summer trips because airports, hotels, and cafes often use public internet. Prices usually stay around $90 to $120 depending on region and sales. Small travel tools like this often become more useful than people expect. Number 4. Kindle Paperwhite e-reader. Carrying heavy books during trips can quickly become annoying, which is why many travelers switch to the Kindle Paperwhite. This small reading gadget can store thousands of books while staying light enough for travel bags. The screen size is around 6.8 inches, which helps reading feel comfortable during flights, trains, or hotel stays. Unlike normal phone screens, this display stays easier to read outside during bright summer sunlight. Battery life is one of its biggest strengths, because many users can read for weeks before charging again. The device also has water protection, helping during beach days or pool visits. Many travelers use reading devices during long flights because they save space compared to carrying multiple books. Weight stays around 200 grams, making it easier for daily travel. Prices normally stay around $140 to $190 depending on storage size and version. Number 3. Bose Quiet Comfort Wireless Headphones. Noise can quickly make travel feel tiring, and this is why many people pack Bose Quiet Comfort headphones before trips. These headphones are built to reduce sounds from airplanes, buses, airports, and crowded places. Battery life can reach around 24 hours, helping travelers during long flights or full travel days. Soft ear cushions help, because some people wear headphones for 3 to 6 hours without removing them. Summer travel often means crowded transport and longer waiting times, so reducing outside noise becomes more important. Many users enjoy music, movies, games, or simply sitting quietly during trips. Bluetooth support allows quick connection with phones, tablets, and laptops within seconds. Most versions weigh around 240 grams, which still feels comfortable for travel. Prices often stay around $250 to $350 depending on sales and model version. Number 2. Nintendo Switch OLED Gaming Console. Long travel delays can feel endless, and the Nintendo Switch OLED helps make waiting time easier. This gaming device became popular because players can use it almost anywhere during travel. The OLED screen measures around 7 inches and makes colors look brighter during gaming sessions. Battery life usually lasts around 4 to 9 hours depending on game type and brightness settings. Many families carry gaming devices because children often become bored during long drives, flights, or hotel stays. Travelers can play alone or connect with friends during vacations. The device also switches between handheld gaming and TV gaming when people return home. Weight stays around 420 grams with controllers attached, helping it stay portable. Prices usually stay near $350 for the OLED version. Number 1. Insta360 X5 360. Camera capturing travel memories feels different when cameras record everything around you, and this is why the Insta360 X5 takes the number 1 position. This newer camera records 360-degree videos, helping travelers capture roads, beaches, cities, hiking paths, and family trips from every direction. Many travelers use these during summer vacations because one camera can record much more than normal cameras. The camera stays compact and light enough to fit inside small bags or jacket pockets during daily travel. Better sensors help capture stronger video quality during both bright days and darker evenings. Battery life can support many recording sessions before charging becomes needed again. Many people also enjoy mobile editing because they can change camera angles after recording instead of before recording. Tougher lens protection helps during outdoor trips, where bags get thrown around often. Prices usually stay around $500 or more, depending on bundles and accessories. But many travelers feel the extra memories make it worth carrying. Traveling during summer should feel exciting, not stressful. The right gadgets can help protect your devices, keep you entertained, save battery life, and create better memories. Some travelers need cameras, while others need power banks or entertainment devices. The best gadget depends on your travel style and what problems you want to avoid. Even one useful gadget can completely change how comfortable your trip feels. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because more gadget rankings and buyer guides are coming soon. Tell us in the comments which gadget you would never travel without.